Hey, what's good, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Mac, checking back in with another video. It's been a little minute since I dropped one, man. I've been hella busy, got a lot of shit going on, but got a little bit of time, and I'm gonna go ahead and drop another good video for y'all. So last video that I did, it was an unboxing. I showed y'all 2 pairs of kicks, and I told y'all I was gonna do on feet. So this is gonna be the on feet for the Jordan 4 Flyknit in the red colorway. A lot of y'all left y'all's opinions, y'all's comments on this sneaker. Some of y'all liked it, some of y'all didn't, but overall I felt like I got some good feedback, enough to go ahead and do an on feet for y'all. I know some of y'all have been hitting me up asking me for this on feet, and here it is. But I kind of gave like a brief overview of this sneaker in my last review. It's nothing changed. I'm not gonna go into detail, but I just want to say a lot more people like this sneaker than I thought. I've seen a lot of people, even in the comments on my other videos, said that this shoe was dope, and I've seen a lot of people on social media wearing them. So I still think they're gonna go to outlets. I still think they're not gonna sell out, and actually you can get these. I think the retail price on these is $220. I've even seen them go down to like $180, $190 on certain sneaker websites. So yeah, I'm pretty sure after y'all watch this video, man, some of y'all are gonna be like, damn, I want a cop, but I don't want to pay the $200. Like I said in my last video, wait till these go down, because they're gonna be in outlets. And also, man, I like this colorway. I think this is the best, but the lime green or the Volt colorway, that colorway is actually really tough, and it's actually grown on me. I don't think I'll be picking that colorway up. I probably won't cop it unless I can get it, you know, for sale, on sale. But I like that colorway a lot, but I still think this one is the best. So yeah, man, if you haven't seen my unboxing, I want you to give your opinion and let me know what you think. But like I said, just wait till you see these on feet. These is crazy on feet. They look better than I thought they would look on feet, and y'all are gonna see that in a second. But other than that, it's really not much to talk about. The quality is pretty dope, man. Like I said, I'm not gonna give y'all too much of what I did. I showed y'all this in the last video, but yeah, the quality is really nice. It's actually pretty good. I was very impressed. The inside has a leather, and the leather seems to be good quality, and these do run true to size. Get your real size. I got a size 12, and they fit really well. The only thing that we'll cover that after I do the on feet, but let's go ahead and check that out real quick. just showed y'all what the Jordan 4 Flyknit look like on feet. It's the all red colorway. Now that you guys have a good look at this sneaker with multiple pairs of jeans, leave your comments in the comment section below. There's no excuse for y'all not to be able to leave your honest opinion, because y'all already seen them on feet. I know a lot of people on the last video, the unboxing that I did, you guys said you couldn't leave an opinion because you wanted to see what they look like on feet. These is tough, and this is just my opinion, man. These are hard, and this is one of those shoes to where if you know how to rock this kick, you gonna make somebody buy these. And I promise you, in my video, again, as I always say, man, if you watch this video and I influenced you to buy these sneakers, man, leave a comment in the comment section below. Really, with any sneaker, it's all about knowing how to rock it and just rocking what you like. And it's different. You know, you're not gonna be walking around in a pair of Concords or a pair of fours, a pair of bread fours anyway. This is something different. This is something to, you know, set yourself apart, make yourself unique. You're not gonna see everybody walking around in these because a lot of people don't like them. Like I said in my last video, I think another reason why people didn't buy these is because the $225 or $220 price tag. That was way too steep for these. If they was like $160 or $180, I think, you know, a lot of people would have been more open to copping these. But I suggest definitely waiting until these go on sale. I've already seen a few colorways of these go on sale. They're at like $180 right now, which I think is a suitable price for this sneaker. But for those of you who haven't watched the unboxing, the materials on this sneaker they're pretty solid. They're really nice. So nothing, I really can't complain about the shoe. It's very well made. Like, there's no craftsmanship issues. It's very well made. And like I said, I have the ones right here, and I'm gonna do a video kind of comparing both of these sneakers, like which one would you choose. So stay tuned for that. But I've had this shoe for, I forgot, I think these came out in 2017, but I got these when it first came out and they still look hella good. So I know a lot of people was worried about the quality and whether or not this would last and stand the test of time, but I think these released about 2 years ago and they still in hella great condition, very comfortable. A lot of people was talking shit saying that this was gonna ruin a classic sneaker, just stupid shit like that. But yeah, I'm gonna have a comparison video coming up. But yeah, man, other than that, that's pretty much it, guys. I don't have much else to say as far as sizing. Get your true size. I got a size 12. Y'all know me, I can rock 11.5 to a 12. So just get your true size. And if you can, go try these on. I would suggest doing that. Other than that, thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for keeping up with the channel. I know I've been kind of away lately. I've been having a lot of stuff going on, trying to get a lot of stuff done, but I do have a lot of videos planned, and I'm gonna put those out as soon as I edit them and kind of get them how I want, you know, them to be. So thank you guys for watching. I'll see y'all in the next video. Keep watching, man. I got a lot of stuff coming towards the channel. So thank you to all the subscribers, and I'll see y'all in the next video.